Welcome to the FMS rotary stability exercise video. So you'll need your Pilates mat because this exercise is on all 4 points. Quite difficult to do it on the hard floor on your knees, so make sure you grab something soft. Alright, so in this position, I'm going to show you, level 1 technique, which is quite poor, and then show you level 2, which is a pass mark, and level 3, which is very, very difficult. Okay, so from the side position, it's always good when you start this exercise for someone to just stabilise your hips and your pelvis. So they can come from this side or this side, and making sure that they just keep that nice and still. So you want your hands in a really big hungry jacks position, like you're holding a big burger, and just hold them in that position. Because with this exercise, you're going to want to screw around a bit like that. Okay, so let's show you level 1 technique. Okay, so we're still trying to move the left arm and the right leg out. The back is twisting around, everything starts folding under one another. It all looks a little bit awkward. Okay, and you come back, so the elbow touches the knee, and everything twists out of whack, and it's all terrible looking. So now we also want to assess the other side. So right arm and left leg go out together, and it does that awkward twisting action, and everything's out of alignment. It looks terrible. So now we're going to move on to level 2. Couple of checkpoints here. So holding in position, okay, and then we move the left arm and right leg. Make sure legs and arms are parallel to the ground, and then this pelvis is level. Bring the knees into the chest, and then back out again, and then back to normal. Okay, so out, back in, back out, and back to normal is one. So we're still looking for the arms and legs to be parallel. Start. Okay, and then that is one of those particular sides that you do will be weaker than the other. Clearly that's the one you want to practice. The one you're good at is the one we'll leave alone. Now level 3, you'll definitely need some help here when you get to this stage. You still need that, hold that hips and the pelvis in the hungry jacks position, and we're basically going to move the arm and the leg on the same side, okay, until we basically get, and see this particular patient is really struggling with this one because we really haven't practiced, level 2. So it's really, really difficult. It might even take you a couple of months to get to that level. But as you can see in the picture, okay, we are moving both sides together, okay, still getting out to parallel, and then bring them in so they touch, back out again, and back to the start. So you'll need a lot of support through here to kind of hold you in that position, okay. But we really don't want to be creating any cheats, okay? And this particular patient isn't ready for the level 3, so we have to practice, the 1s first and then the 2s, and eventually get into the 3s. So it's really not a big issue that you don't get to the 3s. That's a very, very tough exercise, but you definitely want to achieve level 2, okay? Make sure you practice the side that you're not good at, okay? You might do 4 or 5 of those in a row. Incorporate that into your core workout, okay? Leave the one you're good at totally alone. And then making sure that when you do this exercise, you refer to the visual technique as well as the video, make sure you're ticking all the boxes. Alright, thanks for watching.